Hold on, can't tell.
Huh?
There we go.
They're building a river.
Ah.
I'm gonna get our floaties.
They'd be draining something.
Dude, I can get a tube and freaking float right there.
Yep.
Oh, you threw an 8-ball and he disappeared. And all of the words start with the same one.
Explain yourself.
God, why did you put everything in one bag? So we're adding a new product line to the beverage menu to offer a wider variety of drink options to people. And we're gonna do some taste testing here right now. You don't really like coffee. This will kind of give something for everybody, and it'll be a company-wide menu adjustment. Exciting. What am I can't.
Out of the way.
Need peach and strawberry.
Can we get a mango?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I wasn't recording any of that. We're taste testing some drinks here. Got all of our ingredients. Top secret. Milk and tea. I don't think it looks good though.
No. Let's see if it is saved by the straw.
I think that one's gonna have to just be tea, no milk.
A tiny cup or a big cup?
And let's redo this one
More strawberry?
and this one.
Just a blackberry. Which one's that? Strawberry? Ooh, strawberry peach?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That one I think is a definite yes. This one is gross.
Possibly.
Because that looks like potatoes. Okay, so this is a no-go.
That would have been much better though if the raspberry syrup wasn't clear.
Yeah. Okay, so pineapple passion fruit, strawberry peach. It is though. That's really good.
Is that good?
It's too.
T-E?
Find that. That's good.
It's got green tea, but it's not
Try that.
obnoxious. That's good. We need to spice it up.
Does at least one need to be without lemonade?
So this is strawberry peach.
Yeah, strawberry peach.
What if we did a pineapple mango?
Pineapple juice, though, I don't think it's pineapple juice. I think it's just syrup, like high fructose. I don't know.
All right, we can put the pineapple.
But also, I think do it like they're ice cubes instead of putting them on top.
That's a lot of
That looks
pineapple.
like floating potatoes. Not, I don't mean like the whole ice. I meant do it before you pour.
Disclaimer: this is testing from the grocery store. We have a wholesale supplier that gives us commercially grade food items.
That's my straw. Acting as projectiles. That's good though.
Is it?
I like that. I think that's a 3.
That one's good.
That's a 3.
Put a whole forest of berries in there.
This one might not be bad.
This
If you
one?
put the berries in, not on top. You know what I'm saying? Like put them in, because
Mhm.
then they add a little color.
Mhm. I like that better than that.
Yeah, I do too.
I mean, it's definitely a really great color profile.
It's really good.
I don't know.
That's the good one.
All right, let's get that one on here. Like the color profile.
Is this mine?
Yeah. And then We could do add caffeine to any of them. When you have the real pizzazz of the winners right here.
Yeah, no. Okay. So our new drink lineup will be lemonade based, and it'll have different flavors in each one. We have 3 of them that we decided on, and with all 3 of them, you can have them on ice or frozen, or you can add caffeine to them as well. So they can be decaf or caffeinated. Yeah, it's exciting.
Hello. This is the caffeine bottle.
Mm-hmm.
With 30 counts and 10 counts. That's not stable.
That rattlesnake's about 110 years old.
Dang. Oh, yeah, there's a little bit too much weight on it.
Ginger.